Hello students, today we will discuss third property of triangle, and we have already discussed two properties, that is angle sum property and exterior angle property, and third property is triangle inequality property. And the properties that we have discussed were related to side angles of triangles. These properties were related to angles of triangles, and the triangle inequality property is related to sides of a triangle. And there are two properties based on triangle inequality property. First is the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. It means the sum of any two sides of triangle will always be greater than the third side. The sum of two sides is always greater than third side, and this is known as triangle inequality property. Let triangle ABC, here is a triangle ABC with sides AB, BC and CA. There are three sides, and in triangle ABC, sum of two sides, let AB plus BC will be greater than third side, and third side is AC. So AB plus BC will be greater than CA. Similarly, we can also say BC plus CA, BC plus CA will be greater than AB. And similarly, AB plus CA, AB plus CA is greater than BC. And if we use difference, this is a sum of two sides. And if we do difference, if we subtract the lengths of any two sides of triangle, then it will be always smaller than third side. Here is triangle ABC, and there are three sides AB, BC and CA. In this triangle, AB minus BC will always be less than CA. It is less than CA. And similarly, BC minus CA is less than AB, and CA minus AB is less than BC. This is triangle inequality property. And next are some examples related to this property. First example is verify whether the following dimensions will represent the sides of a triangle. These are the sides of triangle, and the property that is related to sides is triangle inequality property. So we will use triangle inequality property, that is sum of two sides should be greater than third side. So we will add the smaller sides, 8 plus 10. 8 plus 10 is 18, and it is greater than 15. Next two sides are 10 and 15. Then we will add 10 and 15, and it is equal to 25, and 25 is greater than 8. So this is always true. 18 is greater than 15. This is right. And similarly, 15 is greater than 8. This is also right. Next we will add 8 and 15. 8 plus 15 is 23, and 23 is greater than 10. So this is also true. So we can say that these are the sides of a triangle because triangle inequality property satisfies. Next is 5 cm, 7 cm and 12 cm. When we add 5 and 7, then we get 12. Here 12 and 12, these are equal. So triangle inequality property does not satisfy because sum should be greater than third side. Here sum is equal to third side. So triangle inequality property does not satisfy. So we will say that these are not sides of a triangle. Next example is in the given figure, S is the point on the side QR of triangle PQR. We are given a triangle PQR, and we have to prove PQ plus QR plus PR is greater than 2PS. We have to take 2PS on one side, and another side should be written on another side. Okay, rest of the sides will be written on another side. So there are two triangles in triangle PQR. First triangle is PQS and second is PRS. So we will take these triangles one by one. Firstly, in triangle PQS. In triangle PQS, PQ plus QS is greater than PS because we have to take PS on one side, and other side should be written on left hand side and PS on right hand side. Then similarly in triangle PRS, PR plus RS will be greater than PS. PR plus SR is greater than PS. Then we will make them first and second equations. Then add first and second. When we add these equations, then we get left hand side will be added on left hand side and right hand sides will be added on right hand side. So we get PQ plus QS plus PR plus RS. And it is greater than PS plus PS. That means 2PS. Then here is QS and SR. QS and SR. QS plus SR are forming QR. So we can write it QR. So it becomes PQ plus QR plus PR is greater than 2PS. And that is proved. Next example is ABC is a quadrilateral, and prove that AD plus DC plus CB plus BA is greater than AC plus BD. AC plus BD. We have to write AC and BD on one side and rest of the sides will be written on another side. So firstly we will take the triangles in which AC and BD should come. Firstly in triangle ADC. Here is coming AC, so we will take this triangle. In this triangle, by triangle inequality property, we get AD plus DC is greater than AC. Similarly, when we take ABC, triangle ABC, then AB plus BC will be greater than AC. And then we will add these equations, first and second. Okay, then we get AD plus DC plus AB plus BC, and it is greater than 2AC. Then similarly we will take triangle ABD. When we take triangle ABD, then we get AB plus AD is greater than BD. AB plus AD is greater than DB. That means BD. And similarly when we take this triangle, that means DBC, then we get DC plus BC is greater than DB. Then we will add these equations so that we get AD plus AB plus CD plus BC is greater than 2BD. Then we get this thing. And make it third equation and make it fourth equation. Then add third and fourth. Add third and fourth because we need AC and BD in addition. So add third and fourth. Then we get these sides are doubled. So we get 2AD plus 2DC plus 2CB plus 2BA is greater than 2AC plus 2BD. Then 2 are cancelled. Then we get AD plus DC plus CB plus BA is greater than AC plus DB, and it is proved. And next example is the length of two sides of a triangle are 10 cm and 12 cm, between which two measures should be length of the third side fall. We are given two sides of a triangle and we have to tell between which two measures the third side should fall. So third side should be less than third side should be less than sum of these sides, and third side should be more than difference of these sides, because it is triangle inequality property. By triangle inequality property, third side has to be less than sum of two sides and more than the difference of two sides. So it should be less than sum of sides. Sum of side means 22. 12 plus 10 is 22, and third side should be less than 22 and more than 12 minus 10, that is 2. So it should be more than 2 cm and less than 22 cm. Then last example is Q is the point in the interior of triangle XYZ. State which of the following statements are true or false and give reason for your answers. We have to tell if these statements are true or false with reason. first is xq plus qy is less than xy. Then firstly we have to see which of which triangle are these sides. xq means this side, then qy, then xy. So these are sides of triangle xyq. And xyq, when we use triangle inequality property, then we get xq plus qy. xq plus qy is greater than xy. It is greater than xy, but in the statement it is written that it is less than xy. So this statement is false. So this is a false statement. Next is part B. xq plus qz is greater than xz. xq plus qz is greater than xz. Yes, this statement is true by triangle inequality property. This is true. And next is yq plus qz. yq plus qz is equal to yz. No, this is a false statement, because by triangle inequality property, yq plus qz should be greater than yz. So this is false statement. This statement is false. So this is the triangle inequality property. Thank you.